this guide, I'm going to show you the 3 best ways that you can use to get electrical components here in Arc Raiders. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Let's get into this. The first way to do this is by crafting them at the refiner. So go up to the very top, select workshop up here, and then go ahead and hit this install button and install yourself the refiner for 60 metal parts and 5 arc power cells. After you go ahead and do that, simply go ahead and back out, select the refiner, and in this section, you'll see that you could craft electrical components, which are going to be the green ones, not the advanced versions, for 8 plastic parts and 4 rubber parts. This is by far the simplest and most consistent way to stock up. That being said, it is not the only method. You can actually also back out and go into your inventory and you can recycle certain gear in order to get these. Some items are going to break down into electrical components, which is very useful if you're swimming in duplicate loot. To recycle anything, for example, just right click on it and then hit recycle and then confirm it, and you'll see what it breaks down into when you select that. But once again, that is not the only method. You can also go ahead and play the game like normal. And yes, that might seem a little bit obvious, but you can really play any single one of these maps. For example, like if I open up Boogate and then hit inspect, you'll see that there's going to be specific icons on this. And what you're looking for is either a technological symbol or an electrical symbol. Now, if it has both, like Pilgrim's Peak up here, for example, that is a score. I would definitely check out this area because these locations have a much higher chance of containing electrical components. For example, on Bluegate, Pilgrim's Peak has by far one of the best spawn rates for electrical components, especially since it has electrical and technological icons and it is a high loot value zone. I would definitely check this place out first. But that is the top 3 best ways to get electrical components here in Arc Raiders. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.